Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're just carrying on with the GUI. So with that said, let's come here and we're going to first put in a comment saying right, and in fact let's put this in the speech marks. And we'll say consumables. So write consumables at top left of screen. I'll put just below stats. And let's come to the line below. So we need a GUI dot label, open brackets, new rect. We'll open brackets again, and we're going to say 5, and I'm going to use value of 80. Again, I've done a little experimenting just before the lesson. About 80 seems about right, but this second value we're going to write on all the lines that we're going to do in this video. You may need to alter to suit your project. So we'll continue on. So 80, comma, and we want stat label horizontal, comma, stat label vertical. We can close one set of brackets, comma, speech marks, consumables. Let's come to the end of the line, we'll close brackets, we'll close the line off. So we are just writing this at this position on screen by these dimensions, just as we've done many times up to now. So let's come here and we're going to say display the player's consumables in inventory. And let's come below here. And we can actually copy this line and we'll just modify it as necessary. So I'm going to increase this by value of 30. And let's come here. And we're going to put in batteries. And in fact, I'm going to use a colon and a space. So at this point, we are just writing this. But we need a little bit more than that. So we're going to come here just before the close brackets. And we're going to say plus, and we need to display the batteries in inventory. So we can actually do that just by saying underscore batteries in inventory. So we're here at the top. So again, this position on screen by these dimensions, we are writing this, and then we're saying plus the amount of batteries we actually have, the numerical number. And now we just need to do the same for the other consumables. So we'll copy and paste that line in 4 times. And what we're going to do is increase the value of 30 in each of these. So 140, 170, 200 and 230. And then we just need to change out what we are writing to begin with. So we'll say health packs. I'm going to leave the colon and the space. Food, water, energy bars. In fact, I'll just say energy bar. And then we just need to swap out the last variable here. So where are we? Health packs in inventory. Food packages in inventory. water bottles in inventory, and finally energy bars in inventory. So that is all the consumables done. Now we need to deal with the boosts. So with that said, let's just copy all of it and we'll paste it in and we'll change what needs to be changed. So the first thing we need to do is change the comments. So we'll say right and we'll say constitution boosts, and let's see, at top left of screen we'll say, we'll get rid of that, below consumables. So let's change this out. We're going to use a value, I think, of 275, so 30 plus our 5 buffer we use, so 275. And we'll change it here. So, yeah, we'll use capitals. So, constitution boosts. And then let's go through and change what needs to be changed here. So, let's change the position on screen to begin with. So, this one needs to be changed to 305. Because we increase him by 30, but we've got his 5 buffer, so 305, 335, 365, 395, and finally 425. And then we just need to change out what we are writing. Again, I'm going to leave the colon and the space, but we'll change this from batteries to battery boost. And we'll change this to health boost. And then these will be hunger boost, hydration boost, and finally stamina boost. And then we need to change out the variable on the end. So battery boosts in inventory, and we just got to keep going. So we'll say health boosts in inventory, hunger boosts, hydration boosts, and finally for stamina boost in inventory. So let's save that off, and let's just downsize mono develop for now, and we'll come to the FPS controller, and let's come to the artwork. I'm just going to use the pause menu background just because it's plain black background for now. And let's test this out so far. So in game, and as you can see, we have 0, 0, but we have some issues with things not displaying correctly. So let's go through this. And let's have a look. Stat label horizontal. Let's change this to a value of 150. And we'll hit play again. And I may need to change this. In fact, I'll need to alter it in the inspector there. I need to alter this to maximize. And let's hit I. So as you can see, we are getting more on this screen now. We're still slightly cut off. So let's try a value of 175. Let's hit play. We'll maximize. and we'll hit I. So everything now is displaying correct. As you can see, the hunger, hydration are going down as they should be. Our health, stamina and battery are all full as they should be, and all the zeros are appearing. So let's stop that there. We'll come back to the script and let's change that there to a value of 175. And we'll probably need to do some more tweaking as we continue on with the GUI, and there is a lot more to do. But I think we'll leave it here for this lesson. So, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.